It's been quite the day today. It looks dark. I've only started my channel for one day. And now that one day is over, everyone can now relax. Look at that car. Whoop. Today's been a day, hasn't it? It's been a real day. Well, people, since it's been that kind of day, oh look, a train. Since it's been that kind of day, I'll start your YouTube channel. I'm going to move on with my life now. Oh, everyone, please like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. As for that, I'm going to take a break from this channel. I'm going to take a break from everything. So, thanks for watching. See you guys later.